Hello everyone. Today we are here to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Learning Environmental Studies at Primary Level. It's a National Institute of Open Schooling NIOS book, DLED book. It's a bestseller book as per the new syllabus pattern of the most trusted educational publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. Cover of this book is very nice. It completely matches the title. So let's have a quick review and check out and review this book. First of all, syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, importance of teaching learning of EVS at primary level. These are the topics: importance of environment, objectives and scope. Then unit 2 is given, curriculum and pedagogy of environmental studies, approaches to teaching learning, EVS, methods, planning. Then unit 3, assessment of learning in environmental studies, assesses learning in environmental studies, tools and techniques for assessing learning in EVS, then using assessment results for enhancing of students understanding, and then contents are given, and every contents you can check. For example, page number like 29, curriculum and pedagogy, every content do match the syllabus. You can check from page number 29, and page numbers are also very well verified. So you can see curriculum and pedagogy of environment studies 29. So all the things in the contents from objective type questions are also given behind every chapter. Unit wise things are given, and things are also topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that even the people who for them who are easy to understand English language can also buy this book and understand it easily. This book is in the back side of the book. Textbooks and guest paper of NIOS are also mentioned of Vinod Publications. You can check them out of DLED. The price of the book is just ₹174.50. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can also call them directly at Vinod Publications at 9218-219218, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location at ₹174.50. You can buy. You can also go to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. You can also visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books, and you can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or this book, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. They will definitely help you in a very short time. So 174.50 is the price of this book, available on online. You can buy it online, Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219218, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 174.50 is a very reasonable price for this learning environmental studies at primary level DLED 505 code number NIOS book, which is a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this book. This will definitely help you in exams. Must buy it, do buy it, highly recommendable. Thank you so much.